Cooking with convicts. Do do do. This show is written and produced by convicts in the Kansas City, Missouri area with a passion for the culinary arts. Here are their stories. Hello, everybody, and welcome to our show, Cooking with Convicts.
The chefs on duty today are Marcus.
Hi, I'm Marcus, and I cheated on my taxes.
Peyton.
Hi, I'm Peyton, and I am in here for 17 counts of public urination.
And I'm Madeline, and I burnt down a McDonald's.
Today we're serving up a very special dish called Seizure salad. And this has a lot to do with the plasma membrane and the gamma aminobutyric acid A receptor. And all of that material will be coming up. So
now, you're probably wondering, what is a Seizure salad?
Well, you will soon see from our beloved Chef Matt, our guest today, in his chef hat. But first, let me explain something to you. Learning about a cell and its organelles is obviously a big part of biology.
We want to use a salad representation because it is unique and it will help us to learn the material. We are showing our audience how something that we see every day can be related to something that we learn in biology class.
Now, not a lot of people can connect a salad to different parts of a cell. So we thought it would be a good idea to make a connection between someone's lunch and a typical human cell. It's okay.
Yes, Marcus, and it will help us learn because it's a new and fresh, well, we hope, way to understand the cell.
So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chef Matt and his famous chef hat creating the infamous Seizure salad that he's in prison for.
Is cauliflower. In this, it represents the nucleus of the cell, which houses the genetic material. The next ingredient are the carrots, which are the mitochondria of the cell. The mitochondria produce ATP, which supplies energy for the cell. The next ingredients are the beans. The beans represent lysosomes. Lysosomes deconstruct the macromolecules inside of the cell. The next organelle is the spinach, which represents endoplasmic reticulum. In this cell, the rough endoplasmic reticulum will be represented with the cheese on it, and the smooth without cheese. The endoplasmic reticulum is represented by the spinach and synthesizes lipids and proteins. The next ingredient is our Golgi apparatus, represented here by the lettuce. The Golgi apparatus modifies and sorts proteins and lipids. Next ingredient, we've got to have some healthy ranch. The ranch represents the cytosol. This is the liquid part of the cell that surrounds all of the organelles. And then our specific organelle is our plasma membrane. These are phospholipid bilayers that are selectively permeable and separate the outside of the cell from the inside of the cell. In here, we have our ion channels, represented by celery, and a receptor protein, right here, that is represented by the green pepper. The receptor protein is called GABRG2. This receptor protein waits for neurotransmitters, represented by these olives, and these are called GABA neurotransmitters. Whenever the receptor protein picks up on these neurotransmitters, the ion channels will open up, and the little ions, represented by these little carrots, will travel through the ion channels and into the cell.
The transmembrane protein receptor, an ion channel, GABRG2, binds to GABA, a neurotransmitter. When this binding happens, the ion channel opens up and these ions flow down their concentration gradients. When there is a mutation, the ions can't flow correctly into the neuron, and epilepsy and seizures can potentially occur. Plasma membranes contain protein channels that allow substances to move into and out of the cell. Plasma membranes are selectively permeable. Just like ions slow down the concentration gradient into the neuron. which makes those two substances similar.
Oh, hey, look.
What does?
It's some of Chef Matt's infamous Seizure salad. I wonder what this tastes like.
Yeah. I wonder if it works.
I wonder if, I doubt it. There's no way.
Yeah, dude.
There's no way you send 10,000 children to the hospital with epilepsy.
Not possible.
No.
Let's try it. All right.
Ready?
Cheers, mate.
Cheers,
yes.
man.
Yeah. Tastes all right.
It does have a little bit of a tingle.
Oh, God, yeah. He really earned those 30 years in prison.
Thank you for watching Cooking with Convicts. Unfortunately, Marcus and Peyton are no longer with us. Thanks for watching.
It's very creepy.